Assalamu alaikum students. Its topic is the media and democracy. It's another unit or called chapter of the political science for the class 7th. Some one or two topics are remaining from the previous unit that will be discovered or recovered very soon. But today we will see about media and democracy. First of all, what is media? Media is a tool which is used to deliver information or data. As we know that democracy is the government which is by the people, for the people, and of the people. Democracy is the government which is chosen by the people, and people are the representatives in the democracy. We saw three wings in the democracy or the democratic form of government, that's legislative, executive and judiciary. But today we have the fourth wing called media. Media is the tool which is used to deliver information or data. Media is a source or means or a tool which gives us any information, which gives us any data regarding anything, regarding any event, regarding the political parties, regarding the government, regarding the policies of the government, regarding the laws of the government. They give us the information. They give us the information what is happening in this world, what is happening in the different states. It's the media which brings us the different information from the different parts of the world. Media is not only the tool which is used to deliver information or data, but through many sources it delivers data, its information. It's through magazines, through newspapers, through television, through radio, through mobile phones. These are the different means of the media or the mediums of the media which brings us different information, what is happening in the world. So we have types of media. As students got to know that media is a tool which brings us information and data through different means like newspapers, magazines, radio, television, mobile phones, different sources from different sources, but these are the types of media. So broadly we have two types. This is the introduction of this topic called media. So we have two broad types of media, print media and electronic media. In print media, it covers newspapers, magazines, journals. In electronic media, we have television, radio, internet, mobile phones, etc. So in print media like newspapers, magazines, journals, these are the sources or the types of media. These are printed. These are on the papers. These give like newspapers, daily newspapers, like at the local level we have Greater Kashmir, Daily Exceller, the Rising Kashmir. At the national level we have the Hindu, Indian Express. These are the types of newspapers which give us different information regarding political policies, regarding matches, different matches, cricket matches, volleyball matches, football matches, regarding different events, what's happening in this world. These, like the magazines, we have magazines. On magazines we have different informations regarding jobs, regarding different topics are there, journals are there. These are the print media. And in electronic media it covers television, radio, internet, mobile phones. These are the electronic media. Through TV we get lot of information. Through radio we get lot of information. Different information is delivered to us. Through many data is delivered to us. It is because of the media, which is considered as the fourth pillar of the government. Like the legislature, executive, judiciary are the three branches or wings of the government. The media is considered the fourth pillar because it's the media which brings us all the information and data to the common people, to the public, to all over the world. But it is the media that is setting the agenda. What agenda? Media sets agenda about what to show, how to show, and when to show. It's news or broadcasted because of the media. If anything is happening, the media channelers, the journalists, the editors, they bring the news to the people. But it's the media which shows us what is happening and how it is happening and when to show. They show us according to their procedures, according to their agendas. The news, the events they brought to us before the common people. It is the media's agenda. It is the media's trend or the media's policy, how they show, what they show, and when they show to us. Now, if we look at the media's role in democracy, as we know that it's the democracy which brings the participation of the people. It is the democracy which gives the power to people to choose their elected representatives, which ultimately forms policies and laws for the people. So, media has a very great role in democracy because, as I already told you, that it is the media which brings the information of the political parties, of the government to the people. So, media is a link between the people and government to make democracy more strong and successful. So, media is a link. It becomes a bridge between the people and the government. Because of the media, the democracy gets more strong and successful. How? Because the government is chosen by the people. They are the representatives of the people. The people vote their representatives, and ultimately these representatives form the government. So when these representatives, these political parties form the government, they make laws and policies for the people. And those laws and policies are brought before people by the media. It is because of the media. Like we have the different channels, the NDTV, the AIIMS, they brought the different policies, not only through television channels, through newspapers, through journals, different policies are brought before the people. So the people see those policies, whether those laws, whether they are good for us or not. And if they are not good for the common people, then people criticize the policies and government reframes their policies and laws so that people get satisfied from those policies and laws. The media's role in democracy, it gives a common man chance to put his views on government's decisions. As I already told you that media is the fourth pillar of the government. Because of the media, it becomes a link between the government and the people. It gives the common man a chance to put his views. The people give his views or opinions about the government's decision. It's the media which puts the common man's voice towards the government. It brings the opinion and views of the common people brought into the platform so that the government get to know what the common people want, what are the problems of the common people they are facing. The problems which the common people are facing, the media brings to the government that you have to do these things for the common people, for the common sake, so that their problems get fulfilled, they can provide, so that the common people get benefits from the government they have chosen. It is because of the media the different policies are brought before the common people, and it is because the media which highlights the problems of the common people, like water problem, electricity problem, jobs, employment, unemployment which is at the peak, unemployment, sanitation problem, different things are there. So that it is because of the media which brings all these problems before the government, and media ultimately brings the policies and laws before the common people and gets highlighted both, and these problems of the common people get solved by the policies of the government. This was the introduction about the media and its role in the democracy. Thank you.